money never chop.
More change it.
You chop less than champion boys me. That folly.
Please hold on while I go get your information. Your Twitter account is 5,000 with me, 10,000 with me, 40,000 with me. Charles, that's a lot of fucking money.
What you wanna find is a six. Just got a meal from the six. No protein is from the six. Bad breed from the six. They don't know what is a six. Just got a blend from the six. No protein is from the six. Bad breed from the six. Hello.
Yo. Don't know, you know. I Rev Trap Lord. See it there? See it there? Rev Trap Lord. Trap Yard Entertainment. So watch ya now. Watch ya now. Watcha. First thing first. Make sure you subscribe to the page, please. Subscribe. So me I say subscribe. You understand? Turn on the post notification. You see me I say hit the like button them when you see the video them. You know, even though the channel new, you know, we are trying to grow it up, you know, we are trying to strengthen him up, we are trying to give him some milk, turn him in a big boy. So subscribe to the channel. You see me I say the major goal 10k subscriber. The minor goal 1k subscriber. So you don't know where to creep before we walk. So yeah man, just show me the support now man. Just show me the give me a clap. Show me the support man. You see me I say major goal 10k subscriber. Minor goal 1k subscriber. Make we do it. You see me I say? So today this I say I want to drop a story. You know? I know feel like I entertain some people today. You know, so drop a story. No other way to do it right now. Drop a story. You see me I say so? Yeah. And before I drop the story, I would like to say parents, to the lovely people out there, please grow on your kids very well. You know, especially the girls, the daughters, the mothers of the future. Grow them good. Educate them good. You know what I mean? And I think parents must spend very much quality time with kids, especially if them are girls. You understand? Yeah. You know? Because I have a story. You know, some people, I don't know how they might find it, but whoever or wherever the video reaches, when you see the video, whatever your reaction is, I want you to post it in the comment section and make sure, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, you know what I mean? Just subscribe to the thing, you see what I'm saying? So, as I say man, just, you know, grow the girls them good man, you know what I mean? Because you have a lot of females out here from a tender age, them a explore, them a do some stuff, you know? And then you will have a scenario where you hear say, probably a girl get catch with a couple young man that do some stuff, then it be rape. It's not always the case there, because especially in this story when I go telling them, I go telling about a girl and a five male was included myself. I'm not gonna lie to you, because nothing was against anybody's will. We didn't force this girl. We didn't rape this girl. It was unconsensual. All of us was teenagers at the time too. And this girl was well aware of what she was doing. She was well aware of exploring sexual endeavors and experiences. You understand? Yeah. So, as I say, grow no girls good man. You know what I mean? Grow them good, because a lot of parents don't know. So no daughter out there lock up in a house and go on with bare things. And the things say only boy pitney alone and get trouble. No, girls out there get trouble too. I tell you. So, as I say, you go on a story. You know what I mean? Hope you like it, hope you enjoy it. And make sure please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe. You see me I say? And remember, your reaction type it in the comment section. You see me I say type it in the comment section, let me know what your reaction in the comment section. You see me I say? Yeah. So, alright, without further ado, let me get into the story. Going to high school here in New York City in the States, you know what I mean? Because I grew up in the States too, so I go high school here partially and stuff. So, yeah, while I was attending high school here, as my teenage years, you know what I mean? And them time I wasn't like the most polite person, I was the most punctual person, you know what I mean? Even though I have sense and very aware of, but me just like one of them just rugged and raw, you know what I mean? Like, even though me do good at school, me just love trouble and them something. You see me I say so, and if you know New York, Jamaica Avenue, and you have a bus terminal behind Jamaica Avenue. A bus terminal where you go to the Rockaways and them side, so yeah. I believe we got off the bus around the bus terminal or we walked to the bus terminal. I'm not sure, but it was one of them two. Either we got off the bus there or we walked there. But it was me and my little crew of guys where I met going to school at the time. It was 5 of us. You know what I mean? Me and the par every day, chilling every day, everywhere you see. You know what I mean? I just we that, you know what I mean? So boom, this particular day as I say, we was on Jamaica Avenue around by the bus terminal. And I see this girl, she just look for me. So as I say, being that me was not really so very polite, I just look for her and I say, you just look for me, so what, you like me or something? And to my surprise she said, yeah. So I say, right, my thing and then you don't look bad. And I don't look too ugly, but I just still know my speed, but you like me, I nah go. A woman and a man, a woman. You know what I mean? Or that's something they go, we can work out, that's something they're woman. Even if the face did ugly away, we can work out after hours visitation. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I did woman, she said she liked me. By my surprise of my bold statement, she said she liked me. I would say, alright, boom, yo, watch out. You know what I'm saying? Me and my brethren them right now. We are going to end up, get some weed and just go chill out on the ends, because them and you have a free crib and all that we do. And if you grew up in America, or not say America per se, if you grew up in New York or familiar with New York, you're familiar with the term any up. Any up mean you and your brethren or you and somebody are going to put together. So any up mean me and my brethren them, we put together money to buy an appropriate portion of weed. So while we are chilled or whatever, we can smoke, enjoy ourselves till ready to go home. Cause that's how we still grow up as typical teenager. Our life is smoke. We always skip school for smoke or sort of thing. Go and skip school with girls. I teach them to smoke. Girls get fresh and that sort of thing. Just typical teenagers growing up with it bad. Blasted bad. Yeah. So the girl decides say, hey, she a walk with we anyway, we are go today, she no business. So I say, hey, I got my virgin go chill out in a while, you come? She say, hey, yeah, she the back away. And mind your people, we walk from, because my boy never lived too far from Jamaica Avenue either. It was like a 10-15 minutes walk. So we walk from Jamaica Avenue to my boy crib, you know what I mean? So we're there in crib, as typical teenagers would be doing. We are find something to eat, we are play a video game, man, we are roll up weed, we are smoke weed, as I said, just being teenagers at the time, growing up here in America, and, you know what I mean? This are my parents, they are work and things, so we have the free crib, because it was 2 of my boys that have the free crib. If one of there one boy crib, we there the other crib, because of them 2 man they have the free crib. You understand? So boom. We all there chilling, and being say, the girl did really like me at first. She give me little neck work, little little neck work, yeah, you know, little other something there. And you know, we do a little thing. Skeet, you know what I mean? Yeah, we do a little other thing there. And you know, me satisfied. So I just cool off and I go and play some video game, you know. My other boy them a do them thing because and after me and her did done our little thing, she decided say, hey, she not done and I guess me satisfied but she never satisfied. That's the only way I can put it because hey, me first come, me win. Me not really respond. So, yes I mean say, yeah man, and she decided say, hey, she go take off clothes and go lay down on bed and get service. So, who is me? It's not my girlfriend or nothing. Cause at the time, you know me dep on my girlish thing and me have all my nice little shorty at the time. You know what I mean? Nice pretty thing. So, TV there, you know, think about to add sheep on my list. But just skeet. You see me I say? So, boom. She can lay down on bed. Everybody I say, eh, she come on a mission. So, remember me I tell you no, parents and peers to be. Make sure you no teach your daughters, you no inform them. And sometimes, you have to really look into situations where people get into because sometimes we have a situation where more than one man, because you never hear more than one female and one man get catch and nobody will look on it now. But if more than one man get catch with a female, it all look away and it's not always saying that is the case because sometimes we have females we into that stuff as me say in this case as it was. You understand? This girl take on 5 man. You understand? And before me continue the story because I don't want to talk too long. You see, if you don't want to hear about one other story where me have with a virgin girl where she take 2 man but she almost take 3 man the day when she lose her virginity. Me have them story there to me can tell you them story there. But you have to subscribe. You have to subscribe, you have to like, you have to turn on post, you have to show me so you want to hear the story there. You understand? I'm going to go know the story then because hey, story there. Story is here. Yeah. So, back to the story. Yeah man. Girl take off clothes from bed. Grab up one man whistle long time. I blow a whistle like a FIFA top ref. She a blow a whistle in a man. You hear me say? She a blow, not even Hurricane Dorian we pass her that day and I blow so. Yeah man. Like a porno movie she in her man. She a blow one whistle over so and one whistle over so. And you know what I mean? Man a squeeze up breast and thing. It's like something where she long time she want experience. It was like a fantasy, like one of them thing the way a long time she want experience people. I not tell her no lie. Nothing was unconsensual, no force. You know, we was all teenagers. She wasn't younger than us. She in a same age group or if older than. You understand? I don't know, small somebody with like small frame like me, a big. You know, well-sized person, and you know what I mean? You know? So, it was nobody where could have just easily manangle. As I said, this is somebody that wanted to partake. You understand? This is somebody where come on a mission because she decided say, she probably not like me alone. She like everybody, and then after me and her do a little thing, she not satisfied. So, hey. She had take on the whole team. You know what I mean? At the time, they used to have a saying say sharing is caring. So, yeah. She over there blow a beer whistle like a FIFA top ref, me say people. You understand? One at a time, me can remember, me know say, because she did up one at a time and she blew. So like, you know, like how you know a girl them do them thing in her movies and thing, yeah. And then I guess that, probably did kind of set away where she lay down on her back now. She lay down on her back. And mind you people, I tell you, the girl have the 2 male parts them in her hand, so. You see me I say, because she lay down on her back and she have the 2 male parts them in her back, so. And she have a blah head side. I mean, I know where they do dance, what they like it, and they do dance to black side. Yeah, me I tell you no paper. So she deal with the thing. You see me? And I believe that I go on 1 man dip on the breast and 1 man dip on it. Because I tell you, I done already, people. I swear to God, I done already. You see me I say, and I play some video game. And I don't remember if my other boy it was film apartment, if him did in an action or he did a play a game with me. But I know when I'm other bridging. No homo, and at the time we never think of it, because we never pre no homosexuality or them things they really like. My boy man they then naked a jump up. I jump up and down naked car. I guess a next man, him and the girl do it thing and the girl like how him a do it, so the girl want him stay upon it more, and that the man they jump off and say him no come yet, and him just jump up naked and condom. I don't know what happened to him condom. I say him need more condom and them thing there. So him run to the store, and in the space of time when him run to the store and we did my boy father walk in. Una hear me I say? People, una hear what me I say? Me say, after my bridging, no homo, did they jump up and down naked, I say, him not come yet, Run gone a store, go and buy condom, And for the record, mind you again, as I say, there was no rape, there was no forced activity, everything was consensual. We were teenagers at the time. Everybody was teenagers. No underage, nobody never forced this girl. This girl come to explore sexually, and she come to take on everybody where she see in sight. The best way I can put it. She come to take on everybody where she see in sight. So, boom. The man father come in. And where him father have to enter for him place, him have to walk past where we at. I do our little thing, chill and, But, to our surprise, when the man father enter the house, we not hear nothing. People, we not hear nothing. And me I tell you, say, I got the power side too. Got the power side, people, because we not know this girl from nowhere. She decided, say, boy, today she can run the skeet for every man make we happy. I got do that. God said today, me I go bless you now with some skeet. Skeet. And for me, he said, me I go make sure, say, in a action when it a go on. So, me did I play some video game. But, my boy, the man father say, I go broke him up with the broom, sir. Jesus. I got the pan inside, make the man father no go to jail and broke him up with the broom, Because the man father grab up the man and say, I go broke him up with the broom now. Because the man father walk in, people, and the man say, yo, what go on here, sir? A hotel? What this? What go on in here, sir? Man father go on X, people. Yeah, man, I tell you, say, man father grab him up, man, and I say, yeah, I broke me for broke you up in a boy. Broke. Yeah, man, like, any father we would have come in for an action like that would have shock and see. Because when the man come, man say, girl, I blow off whistle like a FIFA top ref, one man a beat it and man the palm breast one. You see me I say? Yeah, man. So as me say, people, we have to grow the girls good. Because sometimes when you don't know, then lock up in a man house and do all sort of thing. And then sometimes when a situation bust out away, and you don't get the full story or get the truth or the feelings where the girl might did a carry, why she reached where she reached, or so it did go down, it might paint the wrong picture. You know what I mean? So, as I said though, in this case, nothing went wrong. You know, we all enjoyed ourselves except that my boy father come in and they have go broke him up still. Because the man father grab him up, me not lie. The man father grab him up, me think the man father they go tear. Me think the man father they go tear him up, people. You hear me say? Because me just stand up the day and me and look me and say, Bumbo clot, the man dead now. You hear me say, people? I'm not telling you no lie. Me say, man father walk here, you know. Then when the man father got up in the door, this man a bolt a come in a man place like him parent there. The man a fi really a wonder what go on in him place. Man a fi a wonder what go on in him place. You want see man them a take up clothes a put on clothes and girl get up off a bed a put on clothes and the man father stand up right there when everybody a get dressed cause the man like him shocking can't believe and everybody shocking everybody a grab up clothes and a put on clothes fast car. Blouse and skirt, what a sight the man behold when he come in him place. The man see one bag of man and one little female in there like a porno movie. She act like she get paid top dollars. Me I tell you no people, I tell you no. Yo, me say if I lie, me I tell. I just call me now and call nobody name, you know. Because man them know themselves. Me, such man, and such man. Nah, call no name. But me, such man, and such man did it. Nah, tell you no lie. You tell me I say so paper, as me say. Grow no kids good, please. Grow no kids good and especially on a daughter. You know, spend time with on a daughter, man. You know, find out them needs, them wants, cause sometimes, you know, them not only want physical things, they want emotional things and sometimes they might meet a little guy or meet more than one person where they want to explore with too, but I'm not gonna say it's the right way or it's the wrong way. Hey, if that's what you do, that's what you do. You understand? But me not encourage it. You know what I mean? But as me say, people grow no kids good. And if you don't like this story, watch on man, subscribe, like, and most of all, let me know on a reaction. You know what I mean? In the comment section. Let me know on a reaction in the comment section. You see me I say? And once again, subscribe, and if you don't want me drop the story video about the virgin where almost had 3 men in a one day, but she take 2. We glad for sharing the story because all that the story there. Hey. If you don't hear that the story, then you know say you don't pop up, you don't laugh, you don't go dead with laugh because some laughter in it. You understand? I swear to you, no lame story, a joke and a serious reality. I'm not telling you no lie, I'm not telling you no fiction, I'm telling you serious things when I know, when I see or when I experience. So, as I say, if you know want more, subscribe, like, turn on the post notification. Major goal, 10k subscriber. Minor goal, 1k subscriber. When you don't know, at the Rev, Trap Lord, and a Trap Yard Entertainment. I'm out. Boom.